What if you could save over 10 hours a week just by using the right tools? In this video, I'm showing you 5 powerful AI tools that streamline your work, cut the busy work, and give you more time for what matters. First up, ChatGPT. You've probably heard of it, but here's how to actually use it to save time. I use it to summarize emails, plan my week, write product descriptions, and even reply to messages faster. Here you can see me copying and pasting an email thread and asking ChatGPT to summarize the thread and list the next steps to action based on the email summary. Here you can see it gives me a clear response with a list of next steps to action. It's like having a personal assistant on standby for free. Next up, Notion AI. It turns your messy notes into a clear to-do list or structured document. Whether it's lecture notes, brainstorming ideas, or meeting minutes, just highlight your text and click Ask AI and choose Summarize or Turn into Checklist. For example, here you can see me writing in some random text, random notes, and it summarizes it into a clear, concise checklist to be followed. Third up, we've got Canva Magic Design. No design skills, no problem. Just type what you need, like for example here, birthday invitation for a 5-year-old girl. Make it playful and colourful. And Canva gives you an editable template instantly. It's perfect for CVs, social posts, thumbnails, or anything visual you need in a hurry. Like I mentioned, here you can see me typing in a simple text prompt, birthday invitation for a 5-year-old girl, playful and colourful. And Canva returns firstly a blank document, and then to the left you can see in the menu the templates it's given me based on my text prompt. I can select this one, that one, I can edit any of the templates myself if I want to make changes, and yeah, just a really easy way of getting quick visuals. Fourth is Perplexity AI. Like Google, but smarter. You ask a question and it gives you a clear, cited answer so you know it's trustworthy. For example, here you can see me asking, what are the healthiest types of snacks? It's great for research, blog writing, or just learning faster. Look at the extent of sources that it shows. 10 sources. As you'll see, they're all trustworthy sources that you can rely on. So if you need to quote, their sources are there. It gives concise but also extensive answers that simply Google just can't handle. And last, Taskade AI. It builds your entire day or week into a visual task board. Just tell it your goals like, I want to study 3 times a week, exercise and meal prep. And it turns it into a full trackable plan that you can follow. Whether you're managing work, school or life in general, Taskade keeps you on track without the overwhelm. For example here, I'm typing in a rough weekly plan with what I know I want to complete for the week, and Taskade puts it into a simple form that I can follow and keep track of to stay on top of my tasks and manage my week effectively. So let's recap what we actually did in this video. First, ChatGPT. We used it to summarise a long email thread and highlight the next steps. It saved us from digging through replies and gave us a clear action plan in seconds. Second, Notion AI. We turned a block of messy, unstructured notes into a clean, organised checklist with just one click. Your chaos becomes clarity. Third, Canva Magic Design. We typed a simple prompt and Canva gave us a beautiful birthday invitation. No design skills, no stress, just ready-made visuals. Fourth, Perplexity AI. We asked a real-life question and got a clear, cited answer instantly. It's like a smart Google that actually shows you its sources. And fifth, Taskade. We gave it our weekly goals and it built a full routine we can actually follow. It's perfect for staying on track without the overwhelm. If you found even one of these tools helpful, hit subscribe. I post clear, practical AI tutorials every week. This is Everyday AI. See you in the next one.